Good morning and welcome to a caravan video, and this video we're going to do some pre-winter checks. So I needed a couple of things out at Caravan, so I thought I'd bring the camera along, get a video out of it and do a pre-winter check. So first thing I need to do is check on the leisure battery. Now this is the first video I've shot with the gimbal I bought. Put a link in the description if I don't forget. So first thing I need to do is check on the leisure battery. So I'll get you set up and we'll on a tripod and we'll check this battery. So I've got you guys set up on the tripod. I've got my multimeter set up. I hope you can see that. I'm just going to check the voltage on this battery. I might have to move the multimeter, get it in a better place. So I don't know if you're going to see it. I'll try. So negative to the negative and positive to the positive. Measure on the terminals itself. I'm getting 12.99 volts, so I'm happy with that. Yep, that's definitely healthy, is that battery. It's always best to check them regular. So we'll move on to inside at Caravan. So with the battery checked, it's all fine. We'll move on to inside of the Caravan. Unfortunately, it's a bit waterlogged here. So get inside. And the biggest enemy of caravans is damp, and I think we've got a bit of damp in here. I have to give this all a good wipe down, as you can see. Yeah, I think we've got the beginning of damp. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open all these cupboards to air them. So we'll do that. Sorry about the low light. I've left the door open and let some light in, so we'll get all these opened just to air them. Yep, something's fallen out. Just quickly put that back. It's a bit hard to do with camera in your hand. There we go. And you can see my gimbal there. I picked that up on Amazon for about just over 35 quid. It's a gimbal for a GoPro. I'd like one for a smartphone so it can give me options if I want to use my phone, but 35 quid, you can't complain. Right, so yeah, that's all the cupboards opened. And I said having a bit of damp, issue with damp. As you can see, there's a bit of mould starting there. I don't cook and work surface, but what I'll do is I'll put this back into use. My Unibond, and I've still got this. So get you set up on the tripod again, and you can see me setting this up. Okay, I hope you can see this well. I've got my moisture trap there, Unibond Aero 360. I've got this last one left, which is lucky. Get them in places like Aston, B&M and such like, Home Bargains maybe, Wilkinson. This one's a bit broken, so I might need to get a new one, but definitely having damp issues at the moment. It's just been wet, there's a lot of rain the last few months and went to December. But get this opened up and get this put in. Hopefully this should absorb all the moisture. Because the biggest enemy of a caravan is damp. Unfortunately this one's slightly broken, so I've had to tape it up, so put it somewhere where it's going to absorb moisture, so we'll leave it there and hopefully we shouldn't have any more problems with damp. Right, something else I need to do is the fridge. And that needs to be left open, so we'll have a look here. It's not too bad at the moment. Let me just get this all the way open. Shelf wasn't straight, so put that in, just freezer compartment, yeah. So it's not too bad, but I think there's a setting where you can leave it slightly open, just to aerate. Yeah, because on there's two holes. There's one on for the closed position and one for the slightly open position. But I think what I'll do is I'll just have it a little bit open. So I think is basically it. So that's it for this particular video. I wasn't going to do any more caravan videos this year, but I'm glad I come down, checked on everything. Hopefully it prevented any serious damp issues before they started. So please remember to like, subscribe, share and ring that notification button to be notified of new uploads. As ever, thanks for watching and I'll see you.